Choosing the right service plan is an essential part of business success. Not just on individual projects, but for the lifetime of your installation, keeping your operations running at peak performance, especially when exposed to new stresses like renewables intermittency, higher loads from electrification, and complexity from automation. This puts a lot more pressure on business continuity, from assets to workforce. Uptime and maintenance are crucial, yet today most maintenance is scheduled on a calendar rather than being condition-based and predictive. With more electricity flowing into factories, data centers, and buildings, safety becomes even more a concern. For many of our customers, just 1 hour of downtime can cost up to 300,000 euros. Unscheduled repairs of low and medium voltage assets can take more than 100 hours, 200 hours for transformers. I don't even want to think about what that could cost. And that's why we developed EcoCare. EcoCare is a next-generation services membership plan designed to minimize downtime, optimize costs, and improve safety. So, how does EcoCare work? It processes your sensor data, such as temperature, humidity, insulation, and moistures, into our EcoStruxure IoT platform and our 6,000 machine learning models. Then, our Connected Services Hub, a global network of 24/7 remote experts, monitor, analyze, and troubleshoot EcoCare member assets. If there's anything detected which might compromise uptime, we'll immediately dispatch our on-site services team. I spoke about safety earlier. Well, let me give you a real-world example: electrical fires. Electrical fires are one of the most frequent and serious examples of electrical failure. With EcoCare, our unique electrical fire and health indexes, powered by AI, help reduce electrical failure risk by up to 75%. We monitor and manage 45,000 types of events, which could otherwise generate costly disruptions and unplanned downtime. We also apply our exclusive maintenance index to help members reduce scheduled maintenance costs by up to 40% by shifting from calendar to condition-based, all while extending asset life. Most importantly, EcoCare members receive priority access to emergency support, whether on-site or remote, helping shrink down mean time to repair. AI-powered, condition-based, with an expert global network to deliver uptime, safety, and business continuity. That's EcoCare membership.